Best wax for black car. Keeping a black car looking like a mirror is easily one of the most frustrating things about being a car guy. Every tiny scratch, swirl mark, and speck of dust just screams at you. I got tired of mine looking dull, so I bought and tested the 5 top-selling products that promise to fix up black vehicles. I put them to work on my own car to find out which ones are essential and which ones are just hype. Product number 1. Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. When I held this bottle of Meguiar's, it felt like the typical quality you expect from their detailing line. It's not for the paint, but for that faded gray trim that ruins the whole look of a black car. I noticed that my cowlings were looking pretty chalky. During testing, I applied a small amount, and the real benefit was instant deep color restoration. My favorite part was that it creates a rich darkness and shine that didn't just disappear after the first rain. It withstands washing and delivers outstanding UV protection to keep it looking new for longer. If your exterior black plastic, vinyl, or rubber trim looks terrible against your glossy paint, you absolutely have to grab this durable restorer. Now, if your paint is looking dull, this next spray wax is formulated specifically to bring back that deep look. Product number 2. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black. When I first held this heavy turtle wax spray bottle, I noticed the fluid itself is actually black, so you know it means business. My favorite part about this acrylic and ceramic blend is that it quickly fills light car scratches and swirl marks while you apply it. I used a clean microfiber towel to spread it evenly, and it left a streak-free shine that looked incredibly deep. The pigmented carnauba wax enhances the color depth, while the advanced ceramic polymers deliver relentless water beading and extreme protection that lasts. Applying this in minutes shields that delicate black paintwork from UV damage and oxidation. If your black car paint looks imperfections-laden and needs to restore that mirror-like shine in one easy step, you need this pigmented ceramic spray. Transitions like this are rare, but if your interior leather is as faded as your paint, you'll need a specific solution for that. Product number 3. Black Leather Recoloring Balm. I noticed right away that this leather recoloring balm is not for your exterior paintwork at all. It's strictly a leather restorer and conditioner. When I opened the kit, it felt comprehensive for a DIY repair job. My favorite part about using this advanced formula was how it seamlessly filled imperfections and seamlessly repaired damaged leather car seats that were peeling and general wear. It penetrates deeply to renew original texture, dries fast, and won't rub off on your clothes. I just applied it to the faded sections, let it air dry for about 20 minutes, and it left no sticky residue. If you have faded and scratched leather car seats or upholstery and want to make them look shiny and new again, this odor-free, waterproof balm is your best bet for a fast repair. But to get that paint-protecting shine on any part of your car's exterior, we need to look at Meguiar's solution. Product number 4. Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. This is the big bottle in the bright yellow box that always catches your eye. When I grabbed the Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax, I was happy to see the premium towel and applicator pad car accessories included. You can always use more of those. My favorite part about using this improved formula liquid wax is how relentlessly the water beading performs. Water droplets glide right off. This pure synthetic formula provides unparalleled depth, shine, and long-lasting car wax protection by forming a durable barrier on the car paint. It spreads on and wipes off effortlessly, even when applying it in full sun. Whether you apply it by hand or use a dual-action polisher, it forms a lasting barrier shield against contaminants and UV rays. If you are looking for long-lasting wax protection and exceptional water beading for your clear coat paint, this improved formula is highly recommended. For those deep scratches that wax won't fill, however, we need to talk about touch-up paint. Product number 5. Black touch-up paint for cars. This black touch-up paint feels like a professional automotive scratch repair tool when you hold it. It is waterproof, UV resistant, and has an exact match car paint, extracting the color from the original auto paint to achieve an indistinguishable match. My favorite part during my testing was the versatile 2-in-1 solution. I used the metal tip for small paint chips and the brush for larger scratches. For deeper scratches, add layers until filled. Applying it is a breeze. Just clean the area, shake for 30 seconds, and apply evenly in one direction. Untreated minor scratches can lead to rust, so this thick filler quickly covers marks invisibly and restores your car to like-new condition. It dries in 10 minutes, so your car is ready to use after 10 minutes. If your black car paint match needs invisible scratch repair and rust prevention, you must keep this versatile solution in your glove box. That wraps up my hands-on testing. Keeping a black car look perfect is a battle, but using the right stuff makes it a whole lot easier. Stop letting those swirl marks and dull trim drive you crazy. You can check the current prices for all 5 of these testers using the links in the description below. See you soon!